Okay, now we need to simplify this one, right? Now, first of all, you need to know this thing, but if you have square root sign like this way, it's equal to same way, this thing, same answer, same thing, you can represent like this way. X power, that means index, has half, like this way, right? This, if you have this way, you know this, we can write this way, but the x to the power half, like this way. Okay, now here also I will do that way. That's the method come to my mind. For the 50 I can write like this way. But the right 50, first of all I will write like this way, 25 into 2, right? That's way we can know, right? 25 into 2 over the same thing. What the 2 to the power negative 5 over 2, right? Okay. Now here this square root sign belong to this both, right? So that's why 25 square root mean 5. I can write it that way. Square root 25 square root 2, then square root 25 mean 5. Then here square root 2 mean I can write like what the square what the 2 to the power half, like this. Here like this way square root 2 mean 2 to the power half, like this way. Square root 25 mean 25 mean 5, square root 2 mean I could write like this way. Okay, not only that, now okay, I will do here here negative 5 over 2. Okay, now what I can do, this power 2 to the power negative 5 over 2, this part I can bring to up, right? Here denominator, now I can bring it to numerator like this. What the here 5 and here 2 to the power half. I will put here multiplication like this. I will bring this part to the numerator, right? Here in denominator, now when I bring this denominator power into numerator, this index sign must be changed. Now this index sign is negative, no, minus, no, it will change to positive, plus. So it will be 2 to the power 5 over 2, like this way, right? Now here 5, then here what we need to do, we have same base and here multiplication, here multiplication, right? Same base, here multiplication. That means this index we can add together, this index we can add together. Here actually will be, you know, same denominator, no? So it's 6 over 2, that means 3. Yeah, you can't understand how it happened, I will show you here. Half plus 5 over 2, right? Very simple, no? Here same base, I mean sorry, same denominator we have here, 2 here addition. So we need we have same denominator, just add the numerators. So 1 plus 5 means 6, 6 divided 2 means 3. It's like that. So here will become the 2 to the power 3. Try to get the idea. Here we have same base and here multiplication plus index rule, we can add these two index here. So it will be 2 to the power 3. Now here 5, here 2 to the power 3 mean 8. You know that 2 to the power 3 mean 2 into 2 into 2. So 8. So 5 into 8 mean it will be 40. So this is the final answer for that. This is the simplest format for this.